Hey friends, I'm going to show you how I make a crocheted chain. So you always want to start with a slip knot, and I'm using a size J crochet hook. It's a pretty big hook, but when you're learning how to crochet, it's better to use a bigger hook so you can see your stitches easily and they don't come out too tight. And this funny wrapping that I do around my fingers is just to create some tension. So when you crochet, you always want to keep your yarn slightly tight, that way your stitches don't come out too loose. It should still be able to slide through your fingers, but also be tight enough to keep that string nice and taut as you're crocheting. So to create your chain, all you do is hook your yarn and pull it through. Every time you're making a stitch, you are pulling off that last loop that was placed on your hook. It'll look like a braid, and that's how you know you've created a correct chain. And if you're just practicing, when you're all done, you can just pull it apart and start all over.